This is Acretown, presenting 7.95 acres in the Pocono Mountains of Pennsylvania. Enjoy the tour. Here's your chance to own nearly 8 acres of prime land in the peaceful Milford Highlands, where breathtaking mountain and valley views set the stage for your dream home or private retreat. Located just 5 minutes from major shopping and moments from the Delaware River, this property blends natural beauty with modern convenience. The land features a flat, buildable bluff with power already on site, 867 feet of paved road frontage on Highland Avenue, and an additional 847 feet on Old Milford Rd. With no floodplain or wetlands to worry about, your plans for building can move forward without hassle. The property sits within a well-kept HOA, ensuring year-round road maintenance in a clean, quiet community. Families will appreciate the Delaware Valley schools, offering one of the best educational opportunities in the state. Outdoor lovers will be surrounded by waterfalls, hiking trails, and High Point State Park just minutes away. Plus, with low taxes and a price well below market value, this is one of the best deals in the Pocono Mountains. For future notifications of discounted and owner-financed land, please like, subscribe, and follow. Whether you're building a legacy home or securing land as an investment, this 7.95-acre bluff offers it all. Visit us at acretown.com/PikePA to learn more and secure this property today.